Oke.
Lah.
What was kira-kira kalau nggak pakai seragam, if we are not wearing uniform when we are going to school, what is going to happen? Kira-kira apa ya? It can berkata apa? You can say in bahasa first. Kira-kira beda nggak? It can be different, pasti dong. It can be different. Apalagi? Apalagi saya?
It can be different.
And then? Apalagi? Feel scared mungkin? Kalau misalnya kita nih, juga punya menik, pramuka tuh. When you're going to school. So, the teacher will remind you or not?
Yes.
Will ask you the reason or not why you can change your veil. I mean, veil itu bisa sih hijab or veil. They will ask you or not. So, what the answer you are going to give? Jawaban apa menurut Meni yang akan Meni kira-kira kasih ke gurunya? Kira-kira apa saya?
Jawabannya.
Kira-kira apa? Meni kan nggak makan misalnya. Meni kenapa nggak makan? Bisa jadi Meni sudah kenyang. Why you are not eating? Nih, I'm full. Bisa jadi seperti itu. Atau I don't like with the menu. Bisa jadi nggak?
Already full.
Already full. Nah, now I want you to give your reason. Meni, why today you are not wearing your hijab? Nah, kira-kira alasan Meni apa? Bisa jadi belum dicuci. Bisa jadi waktu nyetrika mamanya bolong. Bisa nggak? Bisa. Oke, apalagi nih saya. Kira-kira apa? Kira-kira apa?
Unwash.
Okay, good. Sayang, where are the school uniform? Here, based on the picture. Where are the school uniform? Where are the school uniform? On the first floor, on the third floor, on the fifth floor.
The third floor.
Okay, the third floor. Sayang, based on we have 5 pictures here ya. Kita ada 5 gambar hari ini ya sayang ya. We have 5 pictures. What is possible? Apa yang paling mungkin? What is the most possible sentence that describe about pictures number 3? Apa yang paling mungkin yang menggambarkan picture number 3? Can you tell me in bahasa or you can try to tell me in English please? Meni, just focus in picture number 3 sayang. Yeah, we know that uniform is on the third floor. Nah, kira-kira kalau Meni sama Fitri di situ tuh, kira-kira what can you describe? For example, Miss Fitri in a cafe. There are so many unrolled uniform. Di sini bentuknya berbentuk nggak nih? Enggak kan?
Iya.
Berbentuk. Ya, enggak berbentuk sih apa ini? Orang ya enggak, bentuknya enggak. But we can describe yellow wall, the white wall, the character. Nah, paling kita bisa jelaskan adalah with the character. Betul nggak? Nah, what is the most possible that Monique able to describe about pictures number 3? Apa yang paling mungkin you can say in sentence kakak, or Monique you can say in words. Boleh dengan menggunakan kata or kalimat. Apa? They are singing on. Oh, Akbar. Berarti apa sih? They are standing, betul. Terus apa? Number 3 itu kan ada kata shops. What is the most possible that Monique could describe atau menggambarkan pictures number 3? Nah, Monique can say bahasa apa? We atau they? Apa sih yang paling mungkin menggambarkan what is the most possible? Apa yang paling mungkin describing for pictures number 3? Bebas.
Our.
Apa? Kira-kira apa? Manik bingung nggak? Sebenarnya nggak bingung sih. Did you get difficulties? Apakah Manik merasa susah? Tidak kan? Ada shops. Terus bawahnya pakai huruf warna hijau itu apa sih? Bawahnya shops itu ada warna hijau. Apa itu? What is the most possible? They are looking. Mereka sedang melihat-lihat. They are looking. Terus, apa lagi? They are thinking. Mereka berpikir juga nggak? Orang bengong sedang melihat itu tetap berpikir nggak?
Iya.
Misalnya Miss itu berdiri di tahu lapangan Simpang 5.
Tahu.
Misalnya mesti berdiri sama Menik. Lihat ke tulisan matahari. Apa yang akan mungkin diucapkan sama Menik? Miss ke sana yuk. Atau Miss kita berdiri di sini aja ya? Atau apa? What is the most possible when we are standing in the field, di lapangan, near from Simpang 5? Apa? Kira-kira apa? Miss, can we just get
Yes.
Boleh nggak? Boleh. What is the most possible? Apa yang paling mungkin kalau kita when we are
Miss,
standing?
let's go there.
Let's go there. Okay. Apalagi, Miss? Kalau kita di tengah-tengahnya tuh, terus kita bawa uang banyak nih, and we get a lot of money. Kira-kira apa? Can we just get something to eat? Mungkin nggak? Mungkin juga kan? Apalagi? Yo, explore lagi yo. Apalagi? Yo. Hello, why are you silent?
Yes.
Kira-kira yang paling mungkin lagi apa?
Let's buy something there.
Let's buy something, okay. Nah, Menik, I want you to turn on your video. Based on picture number 3. So there are 2 persons here who are standing, yang sedang berdiri. What the most possible they are thinking? Apa yang paling mungkin mereka pikirkan di depan itu? What is the most possible when they are thinking? Kira-kira mereka mikir apa ya? They are thinking about apa? Can you give me your answer, please? Kira-kira apa, Mak? Yang si topi merah. They think to watch movie. They are
to watch movie.
Oke. Apalagi? Kenapa tangannya masuk ke saku? Kira-kira apa? Why their hand are put in their shorts? In their, how to say celana in English? Pants. Are put in their pants. Kenapa tangan mereka masuk ke itu? Kira-kira punya uang nggak mereka? Is it possible that they have much money? Apakah mungkin mereka punya uang banyak? No, okay. So what do you think based on the picture that thinking by Brian as me character, as me. Kira-kira Brian lagi mikir apa ya di gambar nomor 3 ya? What kind of possible thinking by Brian in picture number 3? Nah, kira-kira Mas Brian tuh lagi mikir apa ya? Kira-kira apa? Brian is thinking about
Brian.
Ayo explore ya. Brian is thinking about
want to watch a movie.
Pintar. Okay, what about the red? How to say topi in English, Monique?
Hat.
Cap. Okay, what is the most possible thinking by Chalk who is wearing red cap? Kira-kira dia lagi mikir apa ya? Chalk is thinking about atau Chalk thinks about apa?
Chalk think about want to buy uniform.
Oh, okay. So, where is the expensive uniform made? Where is the expensive uniform made? Di mana? Italy. Okay. How get you know? Bagaimana Menik bisa tahu? How get you know that The most expensive is made by Italy.
And
this answer is from blah 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 part. Di part nomor berapa?
4.
4. Okay. Can you tell me more? What is the most possible that uniform is the most expensive from Italy? Who said? Siapa yang berkata begitu? Who said so?
Brian.
Okay. What Brian said?
The school uniform is made in Italy, isn't?
Okay. So what is the most statement? What is the agree statement? And who said?
Brian.
Brian. Okay. What Brian said?
The school uniform is made in Italy, isn't?
Italy or Italy should be?
Italy.
Italy. Okay. Who said the movie theater on the 5th floor?
Brian.
Brian. What Brian thinks in this statement? Apa yang dipikirkan Mas Brian when he said there's a movie theater on the 5th floor? What is the most possible?
Want to watch movie.
Okay. So can you go to picture number 2, sayang? So what are they thinking? Kayak orang bingung gitu. Mereka lagi lapar apa lagi apa sih? Okay. What we also need new school uniform. They are not sold here, are they? This is the 3rd floor. Okay. What is the thing sold in this floor? You know what my question? You know my question, sayang? What things sold by this floor? Ini kira-kira lantai nomor berapa ya, Kak? Mereka kok gini? Gitu. What the things that sold in this floor? Apa yang dijual di floor ini, Nak? Brian thinks that this floor is sold tech floor. Ya, tech floor itu apa aja sih? Komputer. Terus apa? Teknologi itu apa lagi? Kira-kira yang dijual itu apa? Apa lagi?
Apa lagi sih?
Kira-kira kalau orang jual teknologi, you know teknologi, right? Alat-alat listrik mungkin.
Yeah.
Sayang, what did you see on the picture number 2? Yang kamu lihat apa aja? Can you mention it? Bisa lihat di buku juga. Kira-kira putih-putih apa tuh namanya hitam-hitam? What is the most possible? Kira-kira apa sih? Tech floor. Computer, laptop. Itu kayak laptop nggak sih?
Nggak tahu.
Itu kayak laptop. Oke. Sayang, have you ever go to Matahari Simpang 5 in a 5th floor di lantai 5? Isinya apa? What is the most sold in 5th floor in Simpang 5? Pernah nggak sama ibu ke sana? Have you ever go there?
Pernah kayaknya.
Apa? Isinya apa? What did you see? Apa yang kakak lihat?
Clothes. Shoes.
Terus? Ada khusus banget kalau mau nyari tag juga. Ada laptop di sana banyak banget. Nanti kalau PPKM sudah selesai, kita jalan-jalan ya. Cuman lihat aja. So we can discuss what kind of things were sold in di Matahari Simpang 5 in a 5th floor. Jadi kakak betul ada baju anak-anak sih lebih tepatnya. Terus ada sepatu Miss, betul. Tapi di different part itu ada teknologi, saya ada laptop, terus ada yang buat print-printan itu, terus handphone ada nggak? Ada sih, tapi nggak banyak. So what did you see? Di Matahari Simpang 5 ada yang jual handphone nggak? So do you think that so many persons who sells phone atau mobile phone in Simpang 5? So what floor did you remember? Di lantai berapa yang khusus jual handphone in Simpang 5? Lantai berapa ya? Lama kan? Kita juga 2 tahun sudah nggak sama, tapi mesti ingat. So it was 2 years that I was not there. Kira-kira yang jual handphone di lantai berapa?
Lavender.
Boleh nebak kok, boleh. Salah juga nggak apa-apa. It's
L.
okay. Hah?
L. One.
Oke, one. Terus ada lagi yo, khusus lagi yang jual handphone. Lantai 2. Itu juga jual handphone semuanya. Oppo, Vivo, Samsung, iPhone, Redmi. Aduh. There are so many brands which is sold in Indonesia. Ada berbagai merek yang handphone yang dijual di Indonesia ya sayang ya. Baik, Miss Fitri is back to the next. Sayang, please mention 2 sentence or 10 words related about pictures number 2. Tolong jelaskan sebisanya ini. You can say in sentence based on pictures number 2. What is, you can say in words, Manik say in sentence, yeah, it's okay. They feel confused, bisa. Mereka kayak bingung sih, Miss. Yang penting aja. Yuk. Sebutkan 10 kata. Mention 10 words about pictures number 2, sayang. Second pictures. Silahkan. Silahkan.
That.
I give you 1 minute. Silahkan.
They are confused.
Terus? Kenapa mereka bingung? Bingungnya kenapa? They confused with? Mereka bingung dengan apa ya? Kira-kira ini ya. They confused with? Salah nggak apa-apa? Maksudnya nggak akan nyalain. They confused with? Sein bahasa. Mereka bingung dengan apa nih? Jangan sering matikan kamera sayang. Yuk. They confused.
They confuse of all type.
Oke, itu kalimat pertama. Terus yang kalimat kedua, second sentence is, kalimat keduanya adalah apa sayang? Kira-kira apa? They confused with?
They confuse with
What they are going, they're going to buy. Nah, terus apa lagi nak?
Oh.
Oke, apa lagi? Yang paling mungkin apa lagi?
They are also need new school uniform.
They also need apa? They are also need
new school uniform.
Oh, new school uniforms. Oke, sayang, bagus. Sayang, can you go to fifth pictures? Nomor 5.
Yes.
Oke, sayang, what is the most possible that describe about these pictures? What kind of expression can you explain about them? Silakan. They look happy, Miss. Benar, kelihatan happy banget. Kenapa mereka kelihatan happy? What kind of possible to describe about pictures number 5?
They are school uniform.
Okay.
Are a lot cheaper.
A lot cheaper. Okay. So how can you know that uniform here is the most cheaper than Italy's uniform? Kok kakak tahu kalau ini lebih murah daripada yang buatan Italy? Because they found. Mereka nemukannya di lantai berapa sih? They found
they found in the fifth floor.
In the fifth floor. Okay. So what about uniform in Italy? What floor was it?
Third floor.
Third floor. Okay. So what the things hawked by Brian? What is the thing hawked or brought by Mas Brian? What the things brought by Mas Brian here? Can you see on number 4? Ini maksudnya pertanyaan bisa bolak-balik nih. What is the things brought by Mas Brian?
Brought.
Brought is sama dengan pastanya dari bring sayang. So, I brought my chocolate apa ini? Coffee. Caper. Berarti apa? Can you translate in bahasa? What is the thing brought by Mas Brian? Mas Brian brought. Maksudnya pakai present aja biar kakak nggak bingung. What is the thing is bringing by Mas Brian? He is bringing a. He is bringing a. Apakah? He is bringing a. He is bringing a apa? What the color of apa? Apa? You? Uniform. What the color of uniform in the picture?
Mana sih?
Lihat seragamnya enggak? Do you see the uniform colors? The color
green.
Of and
White
and
red.
So do you think that it's look like a Daku school uniform on Monday or Tuesday? Do you think that the color of this uniform is the same from Daku school, sayang? You know my question? Do you know my question?
Yeah.
Oke. Apakah ini berpendapat bahwa seragam yang dibawa oleh Brian, the uniform who brought by Brian, is the same colors from Daku school?
Yes.
Okay. Do you still have this uniform at home?
Yes.
So, it is still proper with you when you are wearing? Masih muat gak? It is still proper to wear? Apakah masih muat?
Masih.
Seriously? Okay. So, when you are wearing this color uniform, what day you are going to wear it? Biasanya kalau pakai hijau hari apa sih Kak? Mesti aja nggak apa loh. So, okay. I'm going to wear it on Monday. Okay. Sayang. So can you tell me more about some expression who shown in pictures 5? Harusnya which? Can you tell me in a word or in a sentence related about pictures in number 5? Kira-kira yang paling mungkin apa? What is the most possible in number 5?
They are happy.
They are happy. And then? They are get more cheaper.
They are got more cheaper. For a uniform.
Their uniform. Baik. The third sentence is? Kalimat ketiganya apa? Chalk is bringing.
Chalk is bringing the uniform.
Okay. So, and then what is the sentence describe to Mas Brian who wear a blue shirt? Mas Brian or Brian?
Brian. Brian.
Brian is, kalau tadi kakak sudah dapat 3, can you show me what is the most possible that describe about Brian in a pictures number 5?
Brian so happy because he has money to go to a movie.
Barakallah. Oke, sayang, who is a treat uniform? Siapa sih yang membelikan baju ini? Who treat this uniform? Si Chok atau si Brian?
Chok.
Who invite his friend to go to movie? Siapa yang mengundang untuk pergi ke atau nonton ke movie?
Brian.
Okay. Why Brian is invited to go to why Brian is invited to siapa namanya nih? Chok to go to movie. Kenapa Mas Brian mengajak Mas Chok untuk nonton film? Because kayaknya uangnya sisa deh, kayaknya sih. Because kayaknya uangnya sisa sih. What is the most possible? Why Mas Brian invites Mas Chok to go to movie or theater? Kenapa, Nak? Menurut Meni kenapa? Why Mas Brian invites Chok
because he have money to watch movie.
Okay, sayang, it should be he have money or he has money to go to movie.
Apa, Miss?
It should be seharusnya for the correction he has money to go to movie or he have money to go to movie. Yang mana, Nak?
He has.
Nah, pinter. Apa? Have or has?
Have.
Sayang, has. Kan Brian kan has. Kalau Menik and Miss Fitri have. Because 2 characters. Because Brian has money to treat. Boleh. Dengan kalimat yang berbeda gimana? Because Brian Because Brian
has